Ever wondered how to turn your photo into a cartoon image? You can either hire a freelancer and spend quite a bit on each picture they produce, or you can do it yourself and make as many cartoonized photos as you like for you and your friends. How? Just go to kittychibi.com and download the app on your computer. Choose a photo you would like to cartoonize and let the creativity flow. With this powerful but easy-to-use software, you can choose from hundreds of beautiful presets that will take any photo to the next level. Simply choose an effect, adjust colors, brightness, and other settings to your liking, and save it. That's it. Now you have a separate file that can be easily uploaded online or used as an avatar on your social media profile. Stand out from the crowd. Download your Kitty version on kittychibi.com.